Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 7, and the name of it is Packing, from your book Beehive. Okay, and this is the chapter which is written by the Jerome, and it is in this chapter the author is explaining about his experience of packing. And he's saying that I rather pride myself on my packing, that he thought that his ability to pack luggage was better than others, and he asked his friend George and Harris to leave the task of packing to him. The two friends agreed to his agreed to his offer instantly, which was strange. George was sitting very comfortably on the easy chair, and the Harris bent his knees as he sat on the sofa and kept his feet on the table. So this scene shows that the author is quite confident about his ability of packing of the luggage, so that is why he took that responsibility to pack the luggage himself, and asked his friend to leave that task for him. So after listening this, the both of the friend get comfortable. One of the friend name is George and another is the Harris. By saying that he would pack, the writer did not mean that his friends would sit and relax while he would do all the work. He had meant that he would boss upon them while they would do all the packing. When he said that you leave that task for me, he doesn't means that you sit, relax, and I'll do everything. What did he means? He meant that you do the packing and I'll supervise you. He would nag them and curse them for not knowing the work, and then it was his planning. He would chip in to sort out the mess that they would create, and he was irritated to see them sitting while he did all the work. So he recollect that once he lived with a man who would sit lazily on the sofa all the day through and would watch the writer do all the work. Okay, वो भी एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट याद कर रहा है जो उसके साथ पहले भी हो चुका है. The man would say that he enjoyed watching him go around doing all the work. This would make the writer mad with anger. The writer adds that he could not sit idle and watch others like slaves. On the other hand, he liked to check their work, walk around with his hands in his pockets, and direct them on how to do the work properly. He feels that as he was energetic, it was a part of his nature to behave in that manner. So he said the author it's a author's nature that he cannot sit idle or free and sit comfortable and watch others lazily. That's it for today, class.